Welcome back. We have another $30 no deposit bonus here. As you can see, it's right here. So this is a $30 welcome bonus that you can trade for free, and you can withdraw the profits according to the terms and conditions given that I'm going to read for you in the next few minutes. So you can claim a bonus by clicking right on this button here. Then you can register, and then before we register, let's just read the terms and condition and everything that we need to adhere to before we sign up on the broker. The name of the broker is Berkshire Markets. Welcome you to the real world of trading and our old class services. So let's just see what they are saying right here. They are saying that get started on an exciting trading journey with Berkshire Markets and explore our low latency execution with $30 welcome bonus account. New clients have the opportunity to trade with free trading funds without having to make a deposit. The welcome bonus account is very easy to open and profit and is yours to keep. So keep in mind, guys, these words here don't mean anything until we read the real terms and conditions. So firstly, we can read the information here, and then we go to the terms and conditions that will explain to us everything that we need to know about this promotion. Enjoy a superior trading experience with low spreads while getting access to award-winning trading tools. These words are almost sweet, and we really don't take those words for anything else. I'm explaining to you this because I know you guys go through looking for no deposit bonuses and you don't know where to find one. Get started today with Berkshire Market, and they are saying is no deposits needed and money is risky. No money is risked, so profit can be drawn, is what they are saying right here. So get a welcome bonus account, register here and experience the difference with Berkshire. So as you can see right here, we have our terms and conditions right in here. Note, existing clients are not eligible to apply for $30 welcome bonus, and you know that we can click right here. Once we click right here, we can then acquire the terms and the condition. But I've downloaded it already. Let me just open the document and show you exactly what they are talking about. This is the document I'm opening right here. Berkshire Global Limited, that's the name of the broker, and we want to just read few information from this. As you can see, the document is not long enough. It's just like written 3 pages, just almost 2 pages that are useful. The rest is just cover page and then the reference page or whatever this thing is. Okay, so let's just read few terms and conditions provided here, and what are the countries that we can adhere to, what that can get this bonus. So before I waste your time, I just want to go look at the countries right here. So I have to zoom out because zoom in because this thing is too small to read on a video. And they are saying here, so let's start at point 3. This point here is where we're gonna start, and they are saying the welcome bonus account is not eligible in these countries. So there's a lot of countries here that are not included, guys. I just want to read few of them that a lot of my viewers are coming from. So as you can see, they are saying it's not available in Algeria, Angola, Australia, Argentina, India, and I've seen Mozambique here. I've seen Ghana, Taiwan, I've seen Morocco, Indonesia, and Pakistan, and Lesotho somewhere. I've seen Bangladesh too. So I'm not sure if there are other countries that are really available, but it doesn't look good. As you can see, the Seychelles and Bahamas are also not available. They are not allowed to receive anything from this broker. So I'm thinking there are already little countries available. Like my country is not mentioned here, and maybe I can drop this on our Telegram channel so you can read it out yourself. For those ones who are still available, don't need to use any expert advisor or anything else. You have about 60 days to trade this bonus, and then after that you can transfer the profits. But it seems like they mentioned some deposit things here. A minimum of 30 and a maximum of 100 of profit can be transferred. So there's 30 to 100 that you can transfer from this account, but you have to deposit a minimum of 100 in USD or equivalent currencies to preserve your profits. And then after you deposit, you can transfer your not deposit bonus to that $100 account, and then you can withdraw the profits immediately after transfer. And you have to contact bonusbashare.com to request for transfer, and then you are all sorted. So this bonus might be good, but I don't like it. The first thing is that they are asking us to deposit $100, $100, which is actually something I don't want to talk about, but it's not good. And the second thing is that it took out a lot of countries, so I don't know which countries are supported anymore, because I can see a list is more than 30 countries or whatever that are taken out of this promotion. So anyways guys, if you think you want to read the document for yourself, just let me know. I will drop the document on our Telegram channel. And thank you guys for watching. See you again on the next video.